Okay, let's make this effect. It's a nice little spark effect with geometry nodes. Let's first make a text. I like to put some font for that, and let's call it monkey, and let's put some thickness for it. So let's extrude it a little bit, and why not make a monkey ourselves as well. A visual monkey. Okay, now you need to enable the IvyGen add-on. Just enable that, and whoops, and let's see about the settings. You should put the cursor with shift right click to somewhere bottom of or that's what I like to do. And let's go to the create tab and Ivy generator. There are a lot of settings, but we only need to care about, well, first of all, you should select the text. Now I'm wondering, why are these grayed out? So the text needs to be converted to mesh. Okay, now they are like so, visible. And grow leaves, let's check that off. Max ivy length 6 meters, and gravity weight to 0. That should be good. So add new ivy. That is not what we want. I will try if I merge by distance by pressing M, selecting all vertices and pressing M, if this helps. It does not help. Okay, let's start over. I played with my settings and it seems that the adhesion weight needs to be 1 as well. So now when we select the object and add a new ivy, it calculates a bit, but now the ivy is exactly where the surface is. We can add many. Like so. Like so. Let's add some to the O as well. Maybe that's good. Like so. And let's select all the ivies and go to the curve properties, and for the bevel depth, let's hold down Alt and click here depth, and put 0 so that we have only the mesh curves. And now let's join them with Ctrl J and convert the curves to mesh, like so. Whew. And let's do some for the monkey as well. This is good enough. So depth 0 and convert to mesh. This is the mesh curve monkey, and this is the mesh curve text. Okay, now we get to the, we can create a material which is emission 4 or 5 and a little bit yellow. Emission. Okay, and let's create a new geometry nodes thing. Let's name it sparks, and let's start with mesh to curve. It does exactly how you think it would do. It turns the mesh back to curves. Then I have this resample curve which simplifies the curves a little bit. I put 33 samples there. Then let's have a trim curve, and let's at first use scene time and frame for the start, but yet we don't have anything. How can I? Let's have the timeline here. Then let's make add node and connect this to here and this to the end. And then we need, let's shift right click drag this connection point, and let's add math and divide something like 33. So now we have this effect already happening. The curves. We can also add a math subtract with 33, so we can see the beginning of the sparks. Okay, that's good. Let's make the sparks now. So what we need is spline parameter and a color ramp. This color ramp will define the shape of the spark. So So the tail is black, then gray, which is a little bit thicker, and white is the most thickest point, and then it tapers off. So well, you will see soon. I will toggle that on and off. And let's put math multiply so we can control the thickness of that spark later. And now let's make set curve radius, and this goes to here, and then let's once again curve to mesh. Once again, let's turn the curve back to mesh, and profile curve should be curve circle here. And let's put that to here, and resolution 4 is good. It will be fast to calculate. Then we need set material, so the yeah, nice. And we can put the I have cycles on. Let's put EV on and bloom. And the world can be black. So there we have already the basics. But what I like to do is to put, you can see the sparks are quite, now I can show you. If we put color ramp off, this determines the shape of the spark, and I like to put subdivision surface. So now they are rounder. We can also fill the caps, but that doesn't do much. Okay, but the subdivision surface makes it very slow, so let's make viewport and mix RGB. I don't know, you can do this also other ways, but in color 1 we can put 1, and color 2 we can put 0. So now when we put is viewport to factor and the color to level, now it's fast in the viewport, but for the rendering it's not viewport, so it will render smoother. Okay, but now we can, well, you can stop here if you are already satisfied with the results. They're quite okay, but we can make things easier. So first of all, this we can take the group input and put this value to here, and that will be the music is weird. The value we can put spark length. So now when we increase it, the spark can be very like short, like only like glimpses, or it can be long with a long tail. That looks quite nice. Well, okay, that's one. We can hide this, and then we can take one group input and put this subtract to here, and that will be delay, so that you can I can show that as well. You can put different delays for the monkey, for example. Actually, let's see the monkey. Let's select the mesh curve monkey, and let's add geometry nodes and select the sparks. Nice, nice. Now we have sparks on the monkey. And if you think there is too many of these lines, you can go to select and select random 0.005 and Ctrl L. Yes, this will get rid of if you delete the vertices. Now we have less of those. So it might look better. Okay, that's that. And let's see what else we have. Well, the delay. Well, we can already see there is some sort of delay before the monkey. Well, we can first select the text curve and put the delay to 11 or 22, so it starts right away. But if we want monkey to start right away, we can select the monkey curve and press this, which makes it sparks 001, and we can put 11 here. And now the monkey sparks will spark before the text. But this means that we can edit. We need to edit tool different node system. So let's keep it as Sparks only. But yeah, that was the delay thing. Let's see what else. Thickness, radius. We can put one of those group inputs here. That will be spark thickness. Like so. So now we can adjust the thickness. Why? Ah, wow. Yeah, we don't need to. I didn't even realize this. We don't need to make the single user copy if we have exposed values. Yeah, that is very good. So we can change the delay of monkey to 11 and mesh curve to 33, and we can keep the same node system. Very good. I learned something new. So now, yeah, there is one more thing I can show you. Like, this is very fast. You can make a cube, for example, and you can duplicate it and put the sparks to the cube, and we can disable the so you can have nice, if we put like a little bit light into the scene. You can have like nice they can be even, you know, that's a box, but it can be whatever model. You can put very long sparks. It looks very nice. Let's try, for example, a monkey. Duplicate the monkey and put let's take the subdivision off and put geometry nodes here and sparks. Well, this looks a bit stupid. The effect looks better with objects that have like, whoops. Yeah, this is nice. Look at that. That have as little as possible of those. Yeah, nice. Okay, that was the last thing. So that was it for the sparks effect. See you in my streams. Bye bye.